RazorTOOTH's 10-inch RazorTooth folding saw stands out as a top choice for anyone needing a reliable and efficient pruning saw. Its 10-inch blade is expertly designed with three-sided razor teeth that enhance cutting efficiency, making it perfect for tackling small to medium branches with a diameter of up to 6 inches. This design not only improves cutting speed, but also ensures smoother cuts compared to traditional saws. One of the standout features of this saw is its ergonomic, co-molded handle. This design provides a comfortable grip, which is crucial for extended use and reduces hand fatigue. The saw's folding blade adds to its safety and portability. When not in use, the blade can be easily latched to prevent accidental injuries, and its curved taper-ground blade is replaceable, extending the tool's service life. The blade is made from high-speed steel and features impulse-hardened teeth, which significantly prolong its durability and performance over time. With up to 6 teeth per inch and a curved blade design, this saw offers faster, more efficient cutting, making it a valuable addition to any gardener's or landscaper's toolkit. Whether you're pruning trees or tackling overgrown shrubs, the RazorTOOTH's RazorTooth folding saw delivers both precision and convenience, proving to be a standout tool in its category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.